Welcome back to RideX Auto, where we bring you closer to the future of mobility and luxury on wheels. Today's journey isn't about just another car. It's about stepping into a moving masterpiece. Imagine if Cadillac took its legendary elegance and blended it with the freedom of open-road living. The result? A motorhome that feels more like a five-star retreat than an RV. And trust me, once you see it, you won't think about travel the same way again. This is the all-new 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, and it's rewriting the rules of luxury travel. Over the next few minutes, we're going to dive deep into what makes this machine so special, from its sculpted design and lavish interiors to the powerhouse engineering and cutting-edge tech packed inside. So grab your seat, because this ride is unlike anything Cadillac has built before. At first glance, the Cadillac Motorhome looks like a futuristic concept come to life. The bold lines are unmistakably Cadillac, highlighted by those signature vertical LEDs and a commanding gloss black front fascia that echoes the Escalade's presence. Every angle feels purposeful, from the aerodynamic shaping to the active grille shutters that enhance efficiency. Add in chrome details, slide-out expansions, panoramic glass, and even two-tone metallic finishes with ceramic coatings, and suddenly, this isn't just an RV, it's a rolling showcase of automotive artistry. Step inside, and it's like the world slows down. Cadillac designed this interior to feel like a luxury hotel suite on the move. Genuine open-pore wood, hand-stitched leather, brushed aluminum, the craftsmanship is everywhere. The lounge offers power recliners and a massive OLED TV that tucks away when you don't need it. Lighting shifts with the time of day. The kitchen rivals a city penthouse with its induction cooktop and wine cooler. And the skylight above can turn from daylight to a starry night sky with a tap. In the master suite, a king-size bed, climate controls, and whisper-quiet walls make sure rest feels as good as arrival. Even the bathroom is indulgent, with marble flooring, a rain shower, and smart mirrors. Cadillac clearly wanted this to be more than comfort. It's indulgence in motion. Of course, none of this would matter if it didn't move like a Cadillac. And under the hood, it delivers. Buyers can choose between a tuned 6.2-liter V8 pumping out over 430 horsepower or a dual-motor all-electric Ultium setup delivering 580 horsepower and a staggering 700 pound-feet of torque. The EV model even hits 60 in under 6.5 seconds, unheard of for something this size. Add adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, and suddenly, piloting this giant feels smooth and surprisingly easy. Naturally, Cadillac loaded it with advanced tech, augmented reality navigation, wraparound OLED displays, voice and gesture controls, over-the-air updates, and even smartphone and smartwatch integration to monitor everything from solar charging to water levels. Add Starlink internet, automated parking, semi-autonomous driving, and state-of-the-art safety systems, and this motorhome becomes less of a vehicle and more a smart sanctuary. Now, luxury like this comes at a price. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome starts just under $400,000, while the EV version begins around $450,000. Fully loaded with solar panels and extended range packs, you're looking at over $500,000. But this isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in lifestyle, exclusivity, and status. Cadillac is producing these in limited numbers, which only adds to its long-term value. In the end, what Cadillac has built here isn't just transportation, it's freedom, comfort, and technology fused together in a way the RV market has never seen. For those who want more than travel, for those who want an experience, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is ready to deliver. If this ride sparked your imagination, hit that like button, subscribe to RideX Auto, and tell us in the comments, if you had this Cadillac, where would your first journey begin? Until next time, this is RideX Auto, where luxury meets the open road.